Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean Behind the Scene, the Sunday talk, Lousje on the couch. Okay, lovelies, here we are. I have a very good question. We have a lot of good questions. Listen, lovelies, if you send in a question and it doesn't get answered in the next couch video, just know that we get a lot of questions and we will answer all of them, but you have to stay tuned. Today, I am answering Marian's question, and the question was, do you have a summer-winter closet and do you change your clothes out? And if so, what do you always keep there and what leaves your closet? So, okay, we are springtime now, and I've just actually, as the weather it's warming up now, but it's been a cool spring. I've actually, last week and throughout the week, it takes a little bit of time, I've looked at my winter clothes and I've pulled out my summer clothes and I'm slowly doing the change, because I do that because I don't have a walk-in closet yet. It's coming in the new house. I've never had a walk-in closet, so I've always had to do this. I washed and I looked at my winter clothes. I washed my sweaters if they needed washing. We wash too often, by the way, lovelies. Clothes don't have to be washed that often if it's like a sweater that you wear with something underneath anyway. I looked at my winter clothes that needed to be put away, and I'm in the process of pulling out my summer clothes. But what I want to talk to you about today is the clothes that never leave my closet. And I'm wearing two pieces that never leave my closet. That is the white shirt, the white boyfriend's shirt, and jeans. I keep all my jeans in my closet, always, year round. Because I think a jean, it's just, you know, with a white t-shirt in the summertime, with your woolly sweater in the wintertime. It's a nice fabric that kind of adapts to the weather, right? There's quite a few pieces that never leave my closet, and it's pertaining to the creases. So the creases silk linen fabric, the crinkled fabric. I have the pants, they never leave my closet. I have 2 or 3 boxy jackets, they never leave my closet. I wear them in the wintertime with my mesh tops, the pants in the winter with the leggings, Lousje and Bean leggings I wear underneath, and then I wear the pants. So with booties, in the summer with sandals, the little jackets in the summer with just a little tank top. The tank tops, of course, are basic. The tank tops, the long tank, the leggings, Lousje and Bean leggings, the Lousje and Bean boxy tops, jeans jacket. Also, I always keep a tiered skirt. Usually every season we carry one. I have one from Catharines and I have one from Catharines. And I wear them in the winter with leggings, boots, a sweater. In the summer with your sandals and a little t-shirt, and you're fine. White t-shirt always, white and black camis always stay in my closet. It's nice to have that moment though, and to just look at your closet, at your clothing, and also then ditch a few things, right? For instance, I have 2 sweaters that I pulled out that I did not wear once this winter. And the same thing happened last year. But last year I thought, well, I might wear them again next year. This year, again, didn't wear them. So they're going out. They're going to the back for the Goodwill. It's nice to pay some attention and to clean up and throw out. And then you also see, what do I need? What is really missing in my wardrobe? And then you can go out and buy something. Anyway, so a little hiccup about past week. We did a drop and styling about Love Linen Love. It's this beautiful line from Italy that we styled, and it was well received, so that always makes us happy. And then we're looking forward to next week of the new drop of Osainko. God, it's one of my favorite lines, really. I just adore that line, and we're going to style it, and it's funky, it's fun, it's really well priced, so look out for that, lovelies. And then I can't wait to tell you more about my trip, and enjoy the weather. It's planting time soon. It's one of my favorite times of the year, really. Okay, I hope you liked this video. You're gonna enjoy your Sunday, and as always, keep on smiling.